Hello, beautiful people. Today we are going to do planks, lots of planks, and work our way to side plank. We're focusing on toning the arms, shoulders, legs, building core strength, and improving balance. If you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and meet me on the mat in mountain pose. Inhale, reach your arms up to the sky, stretch out your entire body, hinge at the hips, forward fold. Halfway lift, forward fold. Reach your arms up to the sky, palms together, bend to the right, and bend to the left. Back to center and forward fold. Legs long, stand on your tippy toes. Heels to the mat. Repeat 2 more times. Feel that stretch in your legs. Breathe. Walk your hands forward into plank. Stretch out your toes by tilting forward and back. Walk your hands to meet your feet. Come to standing, arms to the sky. Lean to the right and then lean to the left. Breathe. Arms by your side, move them around, shake them. You've placed a lot of weight on them. They're probably tired. Inhale, reach your arms up and then forward fold. Stand on your toes, then heels on the ground. Repeat 2 more times. Walk your hands forward into plank. Shift forward and back. Downward facing dog. Try to touch your heels to the mat. Breathe here. Transition into plank. Keep the left hand firm on the floor and underneath your shoulder. Turn and shift the weight of your body on your left hand and stack the feet. Reach your arm up towards the ceiling. Engage the core and glutes as you lift your hips towards the ceiling. Breathe. Release the arm and make your way into downward facing dog. Plank, and then walk your hands to meet your feet. Stretch out those legs by standing on your toes. Touch your heels to the mat. 2 more times. Inhale, reach your arms to the sky, come to standing. Lean to the right, lean to the left. Feel that stretch. Release those arms and shake them. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, forward fold. Stretch out those legs 3 more times. Stand on your tippy toes. Walk your hands forward into plank. Downward facing dog. Prepare for side plank. Shift your body forward. Shift your weight onto your right palm and outer right foot as you turn your body, stack your feet, engage your core and glutes. Reach your arm up towards the ceiling as well as lifting your hips towards the ceiling. Release your left arm and make your way to downward facing dog. Press into your toes, lean forward, knees on the mat, untuck your toes, upward facing dog. Breathe. Child's pose, send your hips to touch your heels. Breathe. Transition into downward facing dog. Walk your hands to meet your feet. One more time. Inhale, reach your arms up to the sky. Palms together by your heart. Close your eyes. Allow your heart rate to slow down. And congratulations, you did good. Bring your awareness to your breath. Give it time to slow down. Thank you everyone for joining me today, and I hope you feel good, stretched out, much warmth and gratitude.